It is pretty with the snow draped over the branches of the trees. And it's a little snowstorm, so it's easy to walk. I'm not going to walk that much, but it's nice to see one of the final snowstorms for February, for the winter season. Hopefully it's the finals. I love snow, but with my current health, my body being weird, kind of don't want to shovel for a little while. And my son, he's not the best at it, and I supervise, but snow's pretty, right? It's always nice to see the snow attached to the trees. Like this, hate this.